Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. All between Jason, my brother. How you doing?
Pretty good.
All right, so we covered the Ratchet dolls last week, and I posted an old photo. So much apologies as I did on the video, and I apologize to you guys online. And we went back and forth a little bit. Cool guys. This is their new video. Came out 6 days ago. This is called The Enemy, and hopefully they're going to be on the show before you know it. So let's get it going with some Ratchet dolls. What kind of guitars we got going on here, man? There's a lot of switches and
yeah, that's
interesting things going on here.
The blue one, I think Fender calls that like their paranormal series, but I'm not sure the exact model off the top of my head, but pretty rad though. I like it.
Right on.
Whoa, yeah!
Dude, I really like this guy's voice. It reminds me of Karabi in Scream and the Motley album.
Ah, yeah.
It's got that same.
Definitely a great rock voice, no doubt.
Oh, absolutely. And usually when people like sing with Fry in their voice, it's not lower like that. You know, like it's higher. So refreshing. And these guys are always fun. And you know, as you can see, rock and roll is not dead.
Well, I confess the sins of man, so don't look back and don't regret. Are you running looking for a taste? Yeah, join the revolution, raise your fist. So looking back at my reflection.
Check out the hardware, man. Black on black on black.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Drums sound great too.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I really like this drummer.
Yeah.
Interesting cymbal setup he's got going there with that one clamp to the side. It's always cool, man, to see the way different people. I mean, there's so many ways to configure a drum kit, and you know, every once in a while you see something a little cool like that. Check out the dude. I'm digging the shadows from the drummer on both walls, man. Pretty cool. Done right.
Yeah.
As it should be. A lot of people just can't get that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's great harmony.
Absolutely.
No restraints, no hesitation. Oh yeah, living life in isolation. Looking back at my reflection. Rebel color light, you're the new sensation. I confess this is a mess, so don't look back and don't regret. Here I am, I'm the enemy. Wanted man, bloody hands for the hell I bring. Here I am, I'm the enemy. Off the grid on the road. Oh, 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 yeah.
That was
Very
killer.
nice.
Absolutely.
I'm digging that. Yeah, so go see some Ratchet Dolls. Go buy some Ratchet Dolls. Go see local music. Go buy local music. But most of all,
Keep listening.
there you go. And we'll see you next time on Tunage. Remember, go check out Ratchet Dolls on Facebook and all your social media. And you're going to dig what they got going on.